So let's go ahead, let's check it out. Let's see what we can help you out with here. So looks like you got some really cute paper earrings. And ooh, I like this one. It's the origami, blue origami earrings, origami crane earrings, round paper earrings. So these are actually paper. Wow, that's so interesting. Japanese, they love the paper stuff. So I see it. So blue origami earrings. Um, uh, no improvement in visits and so far no sales. So you've gotten 3 sales at the moment. And what was the changes that we recommended to you last week? Because the changes take a little bit of time. I mean, the results take a little bit of time. So it's not necessarily going to just happen right away. It can still take a little bit of time. So if you made changes just last week and you haven't seen big jumps yet, don't get discouraged about it because you're still, you're on the right track and you're getting somewhere. So it's all about making incremental changes and improving things. Now, I would say your photos all look really, really pretty. And let's see, your keywords look pretty good here as well. So it looks like you did some work here. Awesome, Jenny. Yeah, she does a great job with those designs, and I like this one. It looks really nice here. So I'm glad she could help you out with that. So what else could you do to help you get more sales? So you got multiple 5-star reviews in the past 7 days. That's a really good. That's a huge positive. 1, 2, 3. Each of your 3 sales have left you a review. So that's really, really, really good. So let's see. Usually the next thing I would recommend would be to start renewing your listings a lot, okay? So when you pull up one of these, on Etsy search, let's look at these ones because these ones are just so pretty, I think. We've got Japanese floral dangle earrings, okay? And let's go ahead and search this. Let's see what we get. Japanese floral dangle earrings. So we got a good keyword here, 3,282 results. And I do see that your listing is popping up right here. So that's really good. Now, this could be because I'm looking at I just looked at your listings. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open a new incognito mode. And I'm going to go ahead and see what happens if we go to Etsy and we search that same keyword. Because that'll give us a better idea of whether or not your listing is popping up for that keyword. And let's see what we got here. So yeah, it was showing me that one because I just looked at your shop. So it doesn't look like it's popping up right here. Let's go back and let me get your shop name. So what I'm going to do here for you, Charles, I'm going to try and find out where is your listings ranking currently on Etsy. Okay, so I'm going to take your shop name. And I'm going to go to the search result page that I just searched. And I'm going to go up here and go look for it. So I'm going to search find, and I'm going to pop your shop name in there. And it looks like I can't see, you're not on the first page because it didn't pop it in from the first page. So we'll see, is it on the second page? Okay. And I don't see anywhere on the second page. And this is a really good practice for everybody to do. For your items, if you're not getting sales, go find out, is your product appearing for the keywords that you're trying to get it to appear for? Because this product right here, very cute, very pretty. It's got that keyword right there, Japanese floral dangle earrings. That's the #1 keyword. So it should, you want your product to appear on the search results for that keyword. And let's see, there we go. Okay, so you're on the way. I think we're on the 3rd page. Perfect. So we're on the 3rd page right here, Charo. And I think that's a good result. If you're showing up on the 3rd page, you're making progress. 3rd page means you're climbing up the ranks and you're getting somewhere. Now, obviously, the people don't visit the 3rd page as much as they visit the 1st page. Most people are going to, visit the 1st page, and then they might not even go to the 2nd page. So what you really want to do is you want to get this product here all the way up to the 1st page, okay? And there's a very simple way that you can do that. So what you're going to do is you're going to renew this item every other day for 2 weeks, because Etsy gives they give a little bit of a boost to how old your item is. So let's see, this listing of yours right here, let's scroll down. This one is October 13th. So that's almost three or so weeks ago. So that's one of the reasons it's not ranking as high. If we go to the first page of this keyword, and let's see, we're on page number 1 down here. What we're going to find, usually most of the products up here on the top that are not ads, that are organic products, they're going to be pretty fresh. Usually they won't be that old unless they're like a very well-established product. So if they're really, really well-established, they could beat it. But let's see how old these ones are. So this one right here, November 4th. So that listing was renewed yesterday, okay? And guys, renewing your listings is so simple, so powerful, and it will really help you get ranked. When you appear at the top of the search results, you're much more likely to get sales. This one is renewed November 5th. So you see, very, very new. Let's check this one out. And this one, yeah, this one's already got a lot of stuff going for it. It's a bestseller. They've made a lot of sales. And let's see, this one, November 4th. So even people with best-selling items are renewing their items because renewing your items keeps it ranked and keeps it at the top of the search results. And then let's just check one more. Let's see, November 5th. So my recommendation for you, Charo, is I think you've got some really pretty items, but you're just not appearing high enough on the search results. So it doesn't cost a whole lot to renew your listing. It costs about 20 cents. So if you were to go in and renew this listing every other day for 2 weeks, so that would be 7 renewals times 20 cents, it's going to cost you $1.40. And there's a good chance that doing that every other day for 2 weeks will take you from where we saw you back there on page number 3. We saw you all the way down here on page number 3, and it should move you up to page number 1. And then once you get there, once you're on page number 1, you can just renew your items once a week, and they should stay there. And when you're on page number 1, you're going to get a lot more traffic and a lot more sales. And I would recommend you could start maybe with multiple of your items. There's no limit to how many of these items you could do it with. I mean, obviously, it's just going to be a budget depending on how much money you want to spend renewing all of these items, because you've got 33 items. But in the grand scheme of things, if it helps you get a few more sales, let's just go crazy. Let's just imagine for a second you took all 33 of your products here and you decided to renew all 33 of those items every single day for 7 days. Okay, that'd be every other day for 2 weeks. So 7 renewals each. That'd be $231. 231 renewals times 20 cents. It would cost you $46. But here's the thing. If you did that, I would bet you would make quite a few sales. You might make 10, you might even make 20 sales. It might really help your shop blow up. And I recommend it to you because I think your products are really pretty, the photos are good, and the pricing is competitive. So you could start it with 1 or 2 items and then go ahead and test it with the rest. And that will give you a really nice boost on your shop there, Charo.